Congratulations on your new DivaCup purchase. We are excited to show you how to authenticate the security device on your DivaCup product. On our new DivaCup packaging, we applied a security device to the side of the box. When ready, press start. You will now be able to do a digital check. Tilt your phone back and forth while lining up the hologram in the red box. It may take a few seconds to recognize the label. When it does, your result will be processed. You will see a timer in the bottom of the box counting down from 30. If the label is not recognizing within 30 seconds, due to outside factors such as lighting, you will be brought to a visual check. An animation of the hologram will pop up. You will be asked to compare the physical label with the animation. If they look the same, click yes to continue. The next screen you will be brought to is where you can enter the 10-character code on the bottom left-hand side of the label for a manual check. After doing this, you can click submit. There are a few outcomes that can pop up from your scan. You should see this screen letting you know that the security device on your DivaCup product has been verified. This label is authenticated but unable to connect. Your authentication will be completed when a connection to the internet is once again available. If you see this suspicious authentication screen, your DivaCup can be counterfeit. You can start over, or you can notify us by clicking the Notify Us button. This will bring you to a pop-up email where you can report this security label to us. If the security device does not match the animation and you press No, this screen will pop up saying that this label is suspicious. You can start over, or you can notify us. Super easy, right? Make sure your DivaCup products are the real deal and keep yourself safe with a simple scan. So get scanning, girl. We hope you enjoy our product.